viewers! Today we are diving into the mouth-watering world of pasta. Have you ever wondered where pasta comes from? It's a fascinating journey filled with history, culture, and of course delicious dishes. Let's explore the origin of pasta together. History dates back over 2000 years and its origin can be traced to the Mediterranean region. While many associate pasta with Italy, its story actually begins in ancient civilizations like the Greeks and Etruscans. While many associate pasta with Italy, its story actually begins in ancient civilizations like the Greeks and Etruscans. The earliest known reference to pasta-like dishes can be found in Greek writings. They refer to something called loganon, a flat dough cut into strips. This concept later evolved into what we know as pasta. The Etruscans too had their version of pasta called legana. This early form of pasta were made from simple ingredients like wheat and water, which were easy to cultivate in the Mediterranean climate. The modern pasta we know today really began to take shape during the Renaissance. With advancements in technology and milling, pasta production became more efficient and pasta quickly became a staple in Italian cuisine. Pasta's popularity continued to grow and it eventually spread worldwide. Different cultures put their own unique spin on pasta dishes, creating an incredible variety of flavors and recipes. Over time, pasta began to take on different shapes and forms in different regions. Italians, for example, are renowned for their creativity with pasta, and they have given us classics like spaghetti, lasagna, and ravioli. And there you have it, the fascinating history of pasta. From its humble beginnings in the Mediterranean to its global domination, pasta has captured the hearts and taste buds of people all over the world. Whether you prefer a classic Italian spaghetti or a spicy Thai noodle dish, one thing is for sure, pasta is a culinary masterpiece that connects us all through its deliciousness.